Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2015 Nissan Altima, and what I'm doing is I am going to clean this battery terminals. As you can see, they have a lot of corrosion on it, and what we're going to do, we're going to clean it. It has a lot of corrosion all around, and all you're going to need is some baking soda, water, a brush. I have a little cup here because I'm going to put the baking soda and the water in there. You're going to need rags. You're also going to need battery terminal protector. And you're going to need one of these right here to clean the terminals, like a little brush. It just sticks out like this. Rags. You're going to need a ratchet. A 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10mm socket. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put the camera on a tripod, and I'm gonna show you the process of how to clean these terminals. Be right back. Okay, my friends, first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna throw some baking soda in here a little bit. I'm going to clean them up like that first. I'm going to take this, all you have to do is just pull it from the back and it comes out. And what we're going to do is just throw a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water first. And you hear it? You see how it's going? Let me get you closer. Let me see if you can see that bubbling. See how it's bubbling? So we're going to do that. Let it sit for a little bit. You're going to take your brush. You're going to brush it up a little bit first. We're going to take the terminals out, but I like to do it like this first. You can see it. You can see how it's bubbling. Might as well clean the whole thing. Then you're gonna have to take some rags and start cleaning in there. So you see the difference? See the difference from when I started? Now that is a little clean, we're going to take the terminal out, and it's a 10mm. Take the negative off first. And it's stuck in there. Oh yeah, this one is nice and stuck in there. We probably just need the screwdriver. Just pry it out a little bit. There you go. Just use the screwdriver and pry it out. So now, I'm gonna create a little bit more baking soda in this cup. Do some more cleaning. And just clean around. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna clean up in there real good. with a metal brush is much better. If you got a metal brush, use a metal brush. You can see how it's sizzling in there. See inside, you probably can't see in there. You want to get the inside also in here. Okay, start cleaning up. Know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take the whole battery out. I'm gonna take the whole battery out just to make it much easier and do a better job. When I'm here, I'm gonna continue cleaning this right here. I'll get my brush. Have this brush here. And clean it up real good with a brush. Just trying to take as much as corrosion as you can, because it didn't happen, but it was so corroded that one day she was gonna try to start and the car won't start because the corrosion is not letting me start. So here we go. This is a nice clean here. Nice and clean. What I'm gonna do is it's gonna dry all that up in there, and I'll be right back. Let's clean this up first. Make sure you use gloves. Make sure you use safety glasses, because you don't want some of that to bounce off to your face or to your eyes. Rag. See the difference? We're gonna take the back of this. Clean that up real good. This one also. See that? Oh yeah. Do a little more. I like how it's coming out. Okay. It's good. It's good. There you go. Just want to make it look really good. Okay. We almost ready to roll. Okay, my friends, I put the battery back, and you just want to clean around. Make sure the terminals are clean, nice and clean. And what you're gonna do is, I have battery terminal protector, and all I'm gonna do is just spray here first. I'm gonna pour some in there. I got these covers right here. These are also for protectors. I'll put the red with the positive over here and green with the negative. And I'm just gonna add a little more for if we can have some in there. Put the battery back. Put the cables back. Use the same 10mm socket you had. If I can find it. Right here. Doing by hand first. Okay, that's in there. Need the shorter one, short 10. Find my short 10mm socket, so I'm gonna use a wrench. Gonna use a 10mm wrench. I don't know what I did with it. Want to make sure that it's nice and tight. Good. Nice. So you tell me how I did. You saw how it was in the beginning. Look at it now. Look at how nice it looks. And that's how you do it. You just add a little bit of baking soda, take your time, clean it up really good. I probably could have did a better job, but not bad for a first time doing the battery terminals like that. And now it looks much better. And what I used was for the battery terminal protector, I used this spray right here. It's about $6.99. I used some water and some good old, excuse the movement, I want to get the baking soda. The baking soda. Also I used this right here to clean the terminals really good. Right here. This is the brush. And that's how I did it. And this is how you clean the terminals on a car battery. Take your time, don't rush, and now it's better. Once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comment or question, post them down below. If not, contact me at nonmechanic101@yahoo.com.